हाँ ऐसा तो भी 6 महीने तक ही जाएंगे। ये वाला तो बस सो रही है तो काम का उठ गई और भूखी है तो थोड़ा से मार मार के लेते इसमें से निकल के आ जाती है। रात को देखना चाहिए एक पे पूरा मार मार के घूम घूम के आ जाएगी। चलो, अभी देखो ये निकलने की।
Hello, good morning to all. Very good morning, guys.
चटाई बिछा दूंगा यहाँ पे। हेलो गाइस।
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
sir. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very good morning, everyone. Turn on the camera. Good morning, Ira. So today, first starting, first I will ask you the questions, the formulas. Then only we will start the class. Okay, Ira. Turn on the camera, Ira.
Always ready for formulas.
Yes. Joshua, are you there? Can you hear me?
इसको वहाँ भेज दो ना। क्या करें?
Turn on the camera.
खिड़कियाँ लगने के बाद देखकर।
Okay. So now we'll have two teams. Okay, the first team is Ira, Jashron, and Miracle. And the second team we have Adric, Joshua, and Bethia. Okay, so we have two teams right now. So I will ask team A and team B. Okay, so team A is Ira, Jashron, and Miracle, and the team B is Adric, Joshua, and Bethia. Okay, so I will ask question not from group, from each person. Okay, and if he doesn't able to give the answer, then his partner can give the answer. Okay, did you listen? Okay, so my first question from team A from Miracle is what is 1 minus cos square theta? What is 1 minus cos square theta? Like I can write it down in the group in the this thing. 1 minus cos square theta. Yes, Miracle.
Sine square theta?
Yeah, that's sine square theta. Okay. Are you not seeing from anything, no?
Yeah.
Are you seeing?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so we have 2 points for team A. Congratulations. Now, second, we have, I'll ask this question from Edric. Edric, what is the formula for cosec square theta minus cot square theta?
So basically, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1.
Very good. So we have 1. Team B. 2 points. Okay, now I will ask this question. Okay, just no problem. So you remember the formula? Just run.
Sir, I don't think I learned these formulas.
Sorry?
I don't think I learned these formulas.
Okay, try to remember it. Otherwise, Ira and just Miracle can help you. Okay. Okay. So,
Jason, we don't have to memorize all the formulas. Only the orange ones and red ones. That is enough. So
then I will ask, not the whole formula. Okay. Just run. What is the formula for tan theta in terms of sin and cos? What is the formula for tan theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta?
sir, I don't know.
Okay, so you can help. You can ask help from Ira and Miracle.
Ira, can you help me?
Yes. Did I say the answer?
No, you
It's
try to remember it. थोड़ा
Okay.
याद कराने की कोशिश करो. Well, you can give him and
it
then
has
yeah.
sine theta in it. It has sine theta on top of something.
Not able to give? Okay, Ira, you can give.
Sine theta upon cos theta.
Good. Sin theta upon cos theta. So I will give only 1 mark because Jushan is not able to give the answer. Okay. Now I will ask this question from Joshua. Joshua, what is the formula for Like sec square theta minus tan square theta is
1.
Joshua.
Square theta.
From Joshua. I will give only 1 mark because I asked from Joshua, but Betya gave.
I didn't know my thing was unmute actually.
No. If that person only give, then only you will get the full mark. Okay. Now I will ask this question from Ira. I will ask the hard question. Ira, what is the formula for 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta? 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. What is the answer of that?
Sine square theta.
Yes, correct. Very good.
Wow.
Okay, now this question from Joshua because Betty gave the last answer, but I will ask this question from Joshua. Joshua, what is the answer for 1 minus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta? 1 minus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta.
I don't know, sir. I don't know.
Okay. So I can help you. It is in the form of a minus b, a plus b.
Yeah.
Is the identity for
So it'll be 1 minus sine theta whole square. No, 1. Is it that?
Is it? No. A
Okay.
minus b plus b. What is the identity for that? No.
Oh, 1
A
square minus sine square.
sine square. Now 1 minus 1 square is 1. 1 minus sine square theta is
I didn't practice the formula, so I did.
so you can help from anybody in your team.
Okay, Drake, what's the formula?
Okay, so basically,
Cedric, you can give hint first. If he doesn't able to get the hint, then you give
okay,
them
so
answer.
basically 1 minus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So basically, a square minus b square. So what is 1 square? 1 square is 1. Sine theta square is sine square theta. What is 1 minus sine square theta?
Yeah. So Joshua, this is your hint. 1 minus sine square theta. If you able to give the answer, you will get full mark. But if you're not able to give the answer, then you will get 1 mark.
No, I don't know, sir.
Okay. Okay, you can give me the answer.
Okay. Okay, so the answer is cos square theta.
Yes, cos square theta. We will get 1 mark. Okay. I will ask one more question from each of you guys. Miracle, what is the answer of this? Yes, Miracle.
1 equals to 1.
Equals to 1.
Yeah.
Okay. How? Can you explain me?
Yeah. Sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta. So uh, both will come as like 1.
Yeah, so it is a minus b, a plus b. So it becomes
Yeah.
a square, b square, which will become sec square theta minus tan square theta, and sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Good. Boys, I mean team B, you are losing by 1 point. Guys.
Ayyo. Only I know why.
Okay, I will ask this question from Petya. Petya, what is the answer of this? Yeah. Petya, are you there? Now I'm asking this question from you.
The
Hmm.
answer is 1.
1. Okay, it's wrong.
Huh? कुछ भी
R.
Hardik sir,
It's wrong.
are you sure it's wrong?
Yeah.
It's not wrong.
So basically, the question is wrong. It should be reverse. It should be cos
Yeah.
theta minus cot theta into cos x plus cot theta.
Yes.
Okay. Why it's wrong, I will tell you. Okay, so if the answer will be cot square theta minus cos x square theta, na? Yes. If you will solve this, a minus b, a plus b will become cot square theta minus cos x square theta. Okay. So we know that 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cos x square theta. We know this identity. Now, if I will send this side to that side, it will become 1 is equals to cos x square theta minus cot square theta. If I will multiply minus on the both the side, so you know what will become? Minus 1 is equals to, the minus will multiply with both the signs. So the plus will become minus and the minus will become plus. So it will become cot square theta minus cos x square theta. So the answer will be minus 1. Did you understand? Yes or no? Edric?
Yes. Funny
Hmm?
face. Funny face by Bethia.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. You have to know this.
But basically, it should be cos x theta minus cot theta into cos x theta plus cot theta.
So I gave you what you say, a simple question, but it's little tricky question. Okay. So for that, you will get 1 mark. Okay. Team A is winning, guys. What are you doing? Okay, I will ask this question from Jishran. Jishran, what is the answer of this? Let me erase this. Let me erase this. Okay, Jishran, what is the answer of this?
One.
1. How?
Um, tan theta is perpendicular upon base and cot theta is base and perpendicular. It will cancel and become 1.
Okay, that is correct way, but the way is not correct. I mean, the answer is correct. Okay, like tan theta can be written as in the form of sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sin theta.
And
So the
theta.
answer will cut, so it equals to 1. Okay, so I will give full marks to you because it's correct. Okay, now I will ask this question from Adric.
Yes.
Okay, Adric, if you will give this question, you will get 4 marks. So you
Okay.
have a chance to come back
Yes.
if you ever the question. Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Patrick, what is the answer of this? You can solve it if you want. Okay.
Thank you.
No, no, no. It's very easy. Then.
Only this one?
No, no, no. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Okay. एक minute. 1 Okay, what is the answer of this?
Okay.
You can solve it, Edric.
So basically, it's 1 plus cos theta. Give 2 minutes, sir.
Yeah. So I will ask now question from Ira. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth one is Edric is leaving. Okay. Ira. I will ask this question from you. What is I will ask a little hard question. Root of sine theta minus sine theta. No. Root of tan theta. Poda. Sorry. I'll write this question. What is the value of Yes, Ira, this is your question.
Like I have to solve it.
No, you can't solve this.
So it's
Do
just
this.
a formula.
Yeah. Yeah.
Theta minus.
Joshua, till Ira is solving this, tell me the answer of if you solve it, then I will come Ira to you. First Edric, then Ira. Joshua, what is the formula for cos theta in terms of sec?
Um,
Cos theta of sec.
1 by sec theta.
Yes, correct. That's sec theta. On fan, it is written.
So what?
Is it written on the fan? You're seeing like stealing and then you're giving the answer.
No, sir.
Okay, so it is correct. Now, Ira and Edric.
Well, I know the formula. It's 1. Like sec theta minus tan theta. That's 1. But do I have to do anything with the root, square root?
That you have to find. That you have to find. That is a googly from googly.
Wait. I know the actual answer to this one.
What? Tell me the answer then.
I think I solved it, but I don't think it's correct or not. Wait. So basically, I got the answer as sine square theta upon cos theta.
Correct.
So that's
Correct.
4 points.
Yes, 4 points. Okay. Now, Ira, it's all upon you. Come on, you can do it.
Could I like ask help from Jeshron and Marceline and Jeshron?
What you got? Under root, what you got?
Like under root as in?
Uh,
Like it's going to be 1 in the end.
So 1 in the end. So root 1 is?
1. Right?
1. So answer is also 1.
Okay. I thought I had to do something more.
No.
Wait,
Okay, so can you calculate it? What
Wait.
is the answer total?
11
For
points
team,
on each side.
for team A, it is 11, and for team B, it is also 11. So it's a draw.
It's a draw. Okay, so both have 11 points. It's a draw. Okay, so Edric, thanks to Edric for the draw because you gave the question. So you can clap for Edric, everyone. Okay. So tomorrow also I will ask you these questions, guys. So please come up with the formulas. Okay, Jashron and Joshua. Joshua, please come up with the formula. Jashron doesn't know this about that quiz. Okay, so it's okay for her. But Joshua, you should learn that. Okay, okay, okay. So now today we'll do some sums. We did these types of sums only. Okay, Jashron, it's nothing different from it. Okay, so we did this type of sums only. Did you understand? Okay, so we'll do today more sums on that. There is a question. Okay, we'll do this question. So, just on you know now, I taught you many times this time. Like if 2/3, like if it is written like this, 2/3 plus 3/7. If it is written like this, how to solve that? I told you before also. Like this 7 will multiply with both the terms, and this 3 will also multiply with both the terms. So 2 sevens are 14 upon 21. Just 3 threes are 9 upon 21. So the denominator is same. Yeah, now you can add it. So in the same way, if the denominators are not same in trigonometry, you have to do same thing. Like this, like here, if it is written as cos theta, so the cos theta will multiply with both the terms. If it is written as sin theta will multiply with both the terms. Did you understand, Jashron? Okay. But today we'll do one question. So I will wait for you guys. Okay, I'll wait for you guys to do. Then I will do. Okay. I hope these tricks are helping you guys. Is it? Okay, do this question, guys. So what to do? What to do in this? Try to make the denominator same. And I just told you how will you make the denominator same. Try to do it, and then I will help you. Pakka, I will help you. Did you understand, Jashon? No. Ask me if you have any doubt. Miraculin, Betia, Ira. Ouch. Miraculin, how will you do this? How will you make the denominator same? Yes, Miraculin.
So, wait for 5 minutes because background noise is loud. I don't think so. You.
Okay. Jashon, how will you do this? This sine theta, like make the denominator same first. And I just told you how will you make the denominator same. This sine theta will multiply with both the terms. In the same way, this 1 plus cos theta will multiply with both the terms. Can you do it? Try to solve this. Try to write this step. You didn't understand, Miraculin? No.
Yeah, I understood, sir. I was going to tell that only.
Okay. Do it. Do it in your copy.
Like,
Quickly.
so, we will multiply this, but like sine theta, multiplying sine theta, I think so it will come 1 now.
Sine theta multiply. It will sin theta becomes sin square theta, not 1.
Okay.
Here, we will theta, then this sin theta. But if it is in the form of sin theta plus 1 upon sin theta, then you can't cut. You can't simplify it. You have to multiply it. And when you multiply it, it becomes sin square theta. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, how will you solve this then? Okay, now everyone, please see on the board. Don't write. Everyone, eyes on the board.
But I think I'm able to do it, sir.
Yeah, Edric, you can do it, but everyone, please see on the board. See, I told you this sin theta will multiply with both the terms. So I'll taking RHS. Okay. So sin theta will multiply with sin theta, make sin square theta. Okay. Upon 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Because both the denominator will be same, then I make a big denominator sign. In the same way, 1 plus cos theta will multiply with 1 plus cos theta, makes 1 plus cos theta multiply by 1 plus cos theta. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Any problem in that? Okay. So it will become sin square theta plus 1 plus cos whole square upon 1 plus cos theta into
Sin theta.
sin theta. Did you understand, Miracle, what I did? Like it is in the form of a plus b into a plus b. So a plus b into a plus b, it's basically a plus b whole square. Did you understand? And what is the identity for a plus b whole square? Can you tell me, Miracle? Yesterday, Ira sent it to you. Yeah. So what is the identity for that? A plus b whole square. A square.
Yeah, a square plus b square plus 2ab.
Yeah. So this is the identity, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So in that same way, I will open this bracket. So what it will become, Jashron? What it will become? 1 plus cos square whole square.
1 plus cos square theta
Yeah,
plus
square. If you will open it in this way, what it will become? You didn't understand? See, if this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So what is the identity for that? A square plus b square plus 2ab. A is equals to 1. B is equals to cos theta. So what it will become?
1 square plus cos square theta plus 2 into cos theta, I guess, because the 1 will be equal to the same thing.
Correct. No problem in that.
Answer.
Plus
Done.
cos theta into very good sin theta. Did you understand? Yes or no? Now what is 1 square? 1 square is 1. So I will write 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Any problem in that, guys? Any problem? Now, Joshua, are you getting one identity in this term? Like here, we can use one identity. Can you check it? Where?
So the trigonometry formula or Like the
Let's see
norm.
the trigonometry identity. Like in this numerator term, there is one identity that we can use. Which we can use, Joshua. Like here it is written as sine square theta plus cos square theta. What is the answer of that? Joshua?
So it says 1.
Yes, correct. Very good. It will be 1. So can I write it like this? 1 plus 1 plus 2 sine 2 cos theta. I didn't understand anything. Ira, why Ira?
So I understood.
Okay. So 1 plus cos theta was already there. 1 plus cos theta is already there into sine theta. Okay. Now it will become 2 plus 2 cos theta upon 1 plus. Jonathan, can you take some pics of Ganesh Bhaiya? Like he's doing work, natural pics. Okay. Just take 4 to 5 different angle pics or some, if it is grinding, you can take video and send it to him. Okay. Okay. Did you understand, guys? Video. 5 to 6 pics and 2 videos. You're making video. Yeah, yeah. That advertisement for school. For school also and for some work also, I think. Okay. Did you understand? Now, can I take from the numerator 2 as a common? Can I take it 2 as a common? So if I will take 2 as a common, okay. Now I will ask this question from Edric. If I will take 2 as a common from this, now the first term 2 is out. If nothing is left, right?
Okay, so basically it become 2 into 1 plus 2 into cos theta, which will become 2 into 1 plus cos theta.
Yeah, so from the first term, 2 is out. So if nothing is there, we will write 1. So it will become 1 plus, and from here also 2 is out, so it will become 1 plus cos theta. I take out 2 as a common. Did you understand? Miraculin, Edric, did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 1 plus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta, can we cut it down? Remaining behind? Remaining behind what? 2 upon
Sine
2 upon
theta.
sine theta. Now 1 upon sine theta is cosec theta. 1
Yeah.
upon sine theta is cosec theta. So it will become 2
Yeah.
cos theta. And that only we have to get now. We got the answer.
Such a big problem. So
This is
easy.
small.
So easy problem.
Now the big one will come.
Give
This
the
is
big
just,
one. Give the big one only. I don't want small one. I want big question.
yeah, I'll give. Did you understand, guys? Justin didn't understand anything? Joshua? Joshua the warrior?
I understood, sir.
Okay, quickly write it down. And tomorrow I need formulas to be learned. Joshua the warrior.
Like tomorrow, you can also keep another quiz for the formulas.
I will also. Whatever you do, sir, will be predicted. Yeah. If I will write anything, it will go that way. Mirroring app. What is that? No. Okay, done.
No, sir.
Okay, and one thing I want to ask: did you tell your mama for more students? Sir is asking about.
Yeah,
Nobody
I
told.
told her.
That's good. So now till till 9 October, there won't be any test. Or one test I can take, not more than that. Okay. Either no test or either one test I can take. But after 9 October, because I may be on holiday, I will be on holiday, not maybe, I will be on holiday. So in a week, I will take one test. Okay. I will make you the paper. I'm not able to check the paper because I may be traveling, but I will give you the test paper. You have to do the test.
Wait, so
I
are you
guess,
in Bangalore?
yeah, I'm in Bangalore from 9 to 26. There won't be any.
Wait. Wait, can I check? Can I check my can I check, sir? Wait. I'll check. Wait. So basically
What?
uh from 9th to it from this Thursday to the Sunday. So I mean they'll have
Yeah,
1, 2, 3 whole weeks of holidays.
yeah. So because I'm traveling, I have a good day. So there won't be any class, but there will be minimum 4 to 5 tests will be there. I will make a timetable for you guys. You have to prepare it for that, and I will send you the test paper.
Wait, only on this trigonometry chapter, right?
If whole trigonometry is covered, then I will give you one more chapter. I will make it today and I will send it to you in the. So what is the test when it is coming? Okay, guys.
So we
Did you
finish
understand?
so sir, if we finish the full trigonometry chapter by 9th October, then
No, 9 October not. I will complete this chapter by this week or next week, most probably. Now the whole chapter is completed.
and then after that
Okay, done?
but there's still one more trigonometry chapter. There are two trigonometry chapters.
Yeah, I will try to complete the second trigonometry by 9.
Yeah, the next trigonometry chapter by 9.
Yeah.
Answer.
Okay. Okay, I'm erasing this.
So when you come to Bangalore, I want to be in Bangalore.
Uh, uh,
But I'll be in Bangalore.
I will be near around that Yashwantpur or that
Hennur,
Laila
Hennur.
Mangala,
Hennur.
Ennore.
No. I live in Kalkere.
Okay. So now I will give one question.
Give the impossible question. Please.
Okay, this is the question.
Same as previous question. Exactly the same.
Exactly the same. Yeah, exactly the same. You guys do it. Now I will not do it this question.
Okay.
Okay?
No, it's given as 2 sec theta, not 2 cosec theta.
So the cos theta and sin theta are replaced.
Yeah. Here, like in that previous question, sine theta was in the numerator and cos theta, like 1 plus cos theta was there. So I just replaced it. Try to solve it. Did you understand? No. Quickly solve it, guys. If you didn't understand, please ask me. Miracle didn't understand anything. Yes, Miracle.
No, sir.
Oh, then.
I understood.
Yes. No, not yet.
Guys, done?
Wait. Almost done.
Done, sir.
Good.
Done, sir.
Uh,
Easy question.
Ira,
Yes.
Ira, write it down. Okay, write it down this number. Okay, so this three question is your homework, guys. Try to do it. Okay, and now I'll give you 4 minutes break. Then come back. We'll have science class. Till
Thank
then,
God
nobody
for
back.
thank God for 3 weeks no homework from October or October 6th to
Five
October 20th.
tests.
All the
Like
projects.
homework class also will be not there.
Leading to
Yeah.
this we
There won't be any class
list and
from 9 October to 26 October. But I can provide you some worksheet also.
but to watch
Okay.
out I
So yeah, come back in 4 minutes. Okay, guys, come back. Time is over. Come back, guys. Everyone. Okay, Pitya, Joshua, American, everyone come back. So yesterday we learned about the periodic classification of elements. And in the periodic classification of elements, we learned that there are different elements are there in the society and we need to classify because some elements share same chemical and physical property so that we can group them in one place. Okay, Jashan, we did start just started the chapter. So in that we just learned that, for example, in a medicine shop, if you will go and if you will ask for the paracetamol, which is a fever medicine, okay, if you will go and ask for the paracetamol, so the shopkeeper won't take any time. He will go, he will just take out that strip and he will give it to you. He has a lot of medicine. He has medicine for pain in legs, pain in the hand. If you have lazy, you have the medicine of that. So millions types of medicines are there. But still, he can go and he can find it out the paracetamol, the fever sickness medicine easily. Why? Because he knows that he classify it in the based on the same types of categories of medicines. So so that's why there are a lot of elements are there and many share same chemical and physical property. So we need to classify them so that when we read about them, we can get the properties easily. For example, a section is there. A section is there where paracetamol is placed. So we can make that section as a fever section. Why? because whomsoever will come and say, doctor, I am in fever, I need a medicine, so you can go and you can bring that medicine. Yes or no? For example, if somebody has pain in anywhere else in the body, so if person will come and say, I have a leg pain, so there is a section of the pain, you can go and you can give the medicine. So that's why we need classification, so that it's gonna be easy for us to find the things, to find the people. It's going to be easy for us to know the what is the elements is saying. Pain, leg pain, muscle pain, any pain. Did you understand? That's why we need a classification. So I request Joshua, can you read this?
Need for classification of elements. You have visited a chemist shop. Several hundred medicines are stored in it. In spite of this, when you ask for a particular medicine, the chemist is able to locate it easily. How is it possible? It is because the medicines have been classified into various categories and subcategories and arranged accordingly. This makes their location an easy task.
Yes. Mm.
Before the beginning of the 18th century, only a few elements were known, so it was quite easy to study and remember the properties of those elements and their compounds individually. However, by the middle of the 19th century, more than 60 elements have been discovered. The number of compounds formed by them was also enormous. With the increasing number of elements, it was becoming more and more difficult to study their properties individually. Therefore, the need for their classification was felt. This led to the classifications of various elements into groups, which helped in the systematic study of elements.
Yeah. So if the question comes and if they ask why do we need classification? Uh, so you can write from here before the beginning of the 18th century. Sorry for that. Before the beginning of 18th century, there's only few elements were easy to study and remember the properties of the elements and
So
compounded
basically,
individually. Yeah.
so
Just
basically,
let me complete. Okay. With the increasing number of elements, it is become very more difficult to study their properties individually. That's why there's a classification needs important. Yes, Patrick. Now you say.
basically, like before the 18th century, only 34 elements were known.
Yes. Yes. Correct. Okay. So this is the answer of why do we need classification of element. Did you understand? Okay, so this is important because sometimes they ask you why do we need classification. So we need classification because now there are too many elements are there, and if too many elements are there, we need classification to remember the properties. Yes, Jashron, you're saying something.
So when the questions are asked, are we
Hmm.
supposed to answer it from the book or from what we understood from the book?
From the book or what is the
From
second
what we
option?
understood of the book.
You can give up from like if you understand the concept and you know how to write in your own words, you can write it down. Okay, I'm marking it not to write it from the book. I'm marking it so that if you are doing revision, okay, so you should know, okay, what is the main, why it is marked main, because question can come from it. So you understand it, you can write in your own words if you have good grammar, not like Betya. Okay. Okay. So now we will read it from this. So how the classification began? So first scientist came and he simply divide two types of elements are there, metal and non-metal. Only two types of elements are there. Okay, so he classified into two groups, metal and non-metal. Okay, like he divides only two groups. The first one he gave as metal and the second one he wrote as non-metal. Okay, this is the first classification that came. So who will read? Just Can you read this?
Development of classification. Scientists, after many attempts, were successful in arranging various elements into groups. They realized that even though every element is different from others, yet there are a few similarities among some elements. Accordingly, similar elements were arranged into groups, which led to classification. Various types of classification were proposed by different scientists. The first classification of elements was into two groups, metals and nonmetals. This classification served only a limited purpose, mainly because some elements like germanium and antimony showed the properties of both metals and nonmetals. They could not be placed in any of the two classes. Scientists were
So
in
now, what type of question they can ask? They can ask you this type of question. What is the first type of classification is there? You will write that this is a metal and non-metal classification. You can write it. But why it is failed? Why? What is the drawback of it? They can ask you these types of questions. Okay, what is the drawback of it? So the drawback is very important. This classification served only limited purpose mainly because some of the elements like germanium, antimony shows properties of both metal and non-metal. So those elements who shows the properties of both metal and non-metal, they are basically called as
Metalloid.
metalloid. So the problem in this classification of this is that only that metals are comes under the metals, non-metals are comes under the non-metal. But there are some elements of germanium and antimony are there. They shows both property of metal and non-metal. So if they shows both property of metal and non-metal, so where you will place? So that's why it got failed. Did you understand? So the failure will always ask. Okay, so they will ask you failures a lot. Yes, Eric.
So basically, boron, silicon, germanium, mm, boron, silicon,
Antimony.
germanium, arsenic, antimony, and tellurium are generally recognized as metalloids. Carbon, aluminium, selenium, polonium, and acetine are also included.
Yes. Aluminum is a metal. Carbon is a non-metal. And what you say next is?
I said selenium, polonium, and acetine also might be metalloids.
Selenium, polonium, and that last one is also the metalloids. But carbon is a non-metal and aluminum is a metal. Okay. Now next, so yeah, please read this, Miraculin.
Yeah, scientists were in search of such characteristics of an element which would never change. After the work of William Prout in 1815, it was found that the atomic mass of an element remains constant, so it could form the basis for a satisfactory classification. Now you will learn about the four major attempts made for classification of elements. They are as follows. Dobinier's triads, Newland's law of octaves, Mendeleev's periodic law and periodic tables, modern periodic table.
Okay, so we're gonna learn about all these things: Dobinier triad, Newland's law of octave, Mendeleev's periodic law and periodic tables, and modern periodic table. So we're gonna learn all this. Why? Because if we will directly learn about the modern periodic table, we will not able to understand what struggles the previous scientists have. Okay, that's why we are reading all these things. I guess once somebody asked me why we are reading about these scientists if we are following the fourth one, modern periodic table. So the answer is that only. They giving modern periodic table, okay, so that we can understand the struggles or the failures, why they fail, why the previous scientists fail, so that we can know that okay, now we came to this part. Did you understand? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
So now the first one is Dobinier triad. Now, what is the meaning of Dobinier triad? Okay, Joshua, turn on your camera, please. Joshua. Oh, yeah. So the Dobinier triad is basically it's a triad. Triad basically means combination of three. Okay. The triads is basically nothing else, but it's a combination of three. Now, this combination of three is basically when three elements we will take. Okay, we'll take three elements. For example, Li, Na, and K.
Okay.
Li stands for
Lithium,
lithium.
sodium, and potassium.
Na stands for sodium,
Potassium.
and K stands for potassium. Okay, so now what the dominant triad says that the addition of first two atomic mass is average of the middle one. We can say the average of the first and the last one is the average of the. Yes or no? I'm repeating again. What the dominant right says, the average of the first and first and the last one is basically the middle is equals to the middle one. Means it means that, for example, lithium. The atomic mass of lithium is 6. Okay, atomic mass. Atomic mass, what mass of an atom? That is called atomic mass. And the atomic mass of potassium is 40. If you will take out the average of it, so what is the average? Sum divided by 2. So 40 plus 6 is basically 46. Divided by 2 is 23. And really, the sodium mass is also 23. Okay. So the dominant right says the average of the first and the last one is basically the equals to the middle one. And even in the properties also, like whatever the lithium has, whatever the potassium has, their average property will be have the sodium. Did you understand what I'm trying to say?
So both the lithium and the potassium properties, the average of those properties the sodium has, no?
Yes, this is called as dominant triads. He made some triads. So we will read this. Ira, can you read this?
In 1829, J.W. Dobermann, a German chemist, made groups of 3 elements each and called them triads. Table 6.1. All 3 elements of a triad were similar in their physical and chemical properties. He proposed a law known as the Dobermann's law of triads.
Important. Okay, underline this.
According to this law, when elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic mass, the atomic mass of the middle element was nearly equal to the arithmetic mean of the other two, and its properties were intermediate between those of the other two.
Okay, yes, this is correct. Okay, the properties of that also it's an intermediate. Like here we can see the atomic mass is also average. So the properties also is average of the first and the two. The mean is basically the average only. Okay, the mean here it is mean. It is called as average only. Did you understand, guys? This is called as dominant triad. Did you understand, guys? No. If you can see that he made 3 triads. Okay, he made 3 triads. The first is lithium, sodium, potassium. Just now I told you. You can check that the sum of these two divided by 2 is 23, and 23 is the mass of the sodium also. Calcium, barium, and strontium, chlorine, iodine, and bromine. Okay, did you understand? Now the last line says, this is important. The last line says that these classifications do not receive wide acceptance since only few elements can only arrange. Not all. Whatever the known was there, only few elements are arranged. That is why this classification got rejected by the scientists. Did you understand? No.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now the second one. Second one is Newland's law of octaves. Okay. So do you know do re mi fa sol la ku?
Yes. Do re mi fa sol la ti do do ti la so fa mi re do.
Wow. Say it again, slowly, slowly.
Do re mi fa sol la ti do ti la so fa mi re do.
Wow. Wow. So you know, Edric, how to play keyboard and guitar and all?
Keyboard I kind of know, but guitar I don't know.
Oh, yes. Okay, that's great, yeah. I mean, it's nice to hear. I didn't remember it, but you remember it
But
so fast.
but sir, no, like 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 when NXT classes was founded, I heard that you had guitar classes or something.
Yeah, I tried guitar classes also. I tried guitar classes also, but the problem was in that Zoom there was not technology at that time was there, and because the technology was not there, so they are not able to hear the clear sound, and there's some issues was there. So that's why I didn't start it then again. Just give me a second.
Here it's given in the Carnatic scale.
Yeah.
Okay. So now Newland, like here it is written as Sare Gama Pada Nisa, but Newland doesn't know Hindi. Okay, so he did it Do Re Mi Fa Sol La Ko and then whatever the epic step. Okay, so what he said. Okay, for example, Sare Gama Pada Nisa. Okay, in Sare Gama Pada Nisa, we know that first and the eighth note is repeating. Yes, first and the eighth note is repeating. Second and then ninth note, third and the 10th note, fourth and the 11th note. So like this, every seven after seven, everything is repeating. So he arranged the elements in increasing atomic masses. Do you know atomic mass? Atomic mass is the mass of an atom. Okay, he arranged in the increasing atomic mass, and when he arranged it, he find it out that every like saregama padanisa, every eighth note is repeating in the same way. Every eighth element has the same property with the first element. Like here, first and eighth is sa sa. Okay, so in the same way, here first and the eighth element like lithium and Na has also same type of properties. So he classified. Did you understand? No, you didn't understand anything.
So
I'll
you
repeat
said
it
lithium.
again.
So you said lithium and nitrogen. You said lithium
No,
and
Na sodium.
Na.
Okay, so every eighth element he arranged in increasing atomic masses, and when he arranged in increasing atomic masses, he find it out that the first, which is lithium, and the eighth one, like one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and the eighth one, they both share same or similar type of properties. Did you understand? No. Hmm? Yes,
Ramesh,
Ira, ask me.
Ramesh,
Yes, I understood.
Hmm.
so
Yashron, did you understand? Yes, yes, Etik.
so basically, lithium, sodium, and potassium have the same properties. Then beryllium, magnesium, and calcium.
Not same.
I
I'll
mean,
not say same, it's similar.
yeah, kind of similar. Not exactly the same physical, chemical, and biological properties. I mean, almost the same.
Almost similar type of property, okay?
Almost.
Similar type of physical and the chemical properties, both can happen. Okay, in the same way, beryllium, B is beryllium, Mg is magnesium, Ca is calcium. They also same have similar type of property. Boron, aluminum also have same type of property. Carbon, silicon, nitrogen, phosphorus, oxygen, sulfur, fluorine, chlorine. So they both have similar like these in the group. These are the called as group. Okay, I'll repeat it for you. If you will go up to down, this is called as group. Group is basically from up to down. So this is first group, this is second group, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth, this is sixth, and this is seven. So he makes seven group, and in the group he shows that the group have similar type of properties. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
No. Hmm? But here, like first we will learn the merit. Merit means what is a good thing we learn from it. Now the question they can ask in 5 marks question they can ask, what is the Newland's law of octave and what are the merits and demerits? Okay, so first we're gonna learn what is the Newland's law of octave. So I request Edric, read it slowly, okay? Read the Newland's law of octave, please. Edric.
1 minute, sir. Okay. The merits of Newton's law of octaves classification are: atomic mass was made the basis of classification. Periodicity of properties. The repetition properties after
No, no,
the.
no, no. Edric, read this first.
Okay. 6.1.4 Newland's law of octaves. In
Hmm.
1864, an English chemist, John Alexander Newlands, arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses, then called atomic.
Remember this, guys. You have to write this thing very important. Okay, John Alexander Newland arranged elements in the increasing order of atomic masses.
Then called atomic
He
weight.
first arranged in increasing order. He didn't place randomly. He increased it first increasing order and then he observed it. Sometimes we write it down the Newland's law of octave, but we didn't say that increasing order. So you will lose the mark. Okay. Okay. Next.
He observed that every eighth element had properties similar to the first element. Oh, Newlands called it the law
Yeah.
of octaves. Due to its similarity with musical notes, where every eighth note is a repetition of the first one as shown below. Sari Gama Pada.
Hmm. Hmm.
Arrangement of elements given by Newlands is given in table 6.2. Starting from lithium Li, the eighth element is sodium Na, and its properties are similar to those of the lithium. Similarly, beryllium Be, magnesium Mg, and calcium Ca show similar properties. Chlorine F and chlorine Cl are also similar chemically.
Yes. Now Newland first law, I mean the first merit is that atomic mass made it the classification. So I told you this is a merit. He arranged it first increasing atomic mass and then he observed it. So he got not randomly view, but in the increasing atomic mass. Okay. Now next one is the second is he find it out that periodicity of the elements properties, repetition properties, certain interval of time. First time he recognized it. He recognized it that first and the eighth, every time you are getting the same properties, similar properties. Did you understand? Yes or no? रवि चावल जल रहा है क्या बदबू आ रही है Okay, next is demerits of a Newland octave law. So, Bethia, can you read this?
The demerits of Newland's law of octaves are: 1.
Demerits means why it is not accepted. Yes.
It was not applicable to elements of atomic masses higher than 40 U. Hence, all the 60 elements known at that time could not be classified according to this
Criteria.
criteria. Okay.
Criteria. Okay, so basically, till 40 U atomic mass, till calcium only, he is able to get this type of trends. But after that, he is not able to get it. Like after that, not eighth element is getting the same similar properties. So that's why it got rejected. Like it is limited only 40 U. Till 40 U, Sare Gama Pada Nisa is going on. Otherwise, no Sare, no Pada. Nothing is there. Next, read this.
2. With the discovery of noble gases, it was found that it was the ninth element which had the properties similar to the first one and not the eighth element. This resulted in the rejection of the very idea of octaves.
Okay, now listen, guys. So, like when he was doing, there is no noble gases here. So, what is the noble gas? Noble gas are the gases which is like neon, argon, krypton, xenon. So these are called as noble gases, which have the property of inertness. Inertness means they are very attitude guys. They do not want to react from anybody. They are very noble, like Donald Trump. Yes, Patrick.
So basically, so the noble gases are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, and oganesson. Okay, there are seven of
Yes. So these gases are inert gas. They don't want to react with anybody. Okay. So now because they have same properties, so according to this, they should have same properties, and then there should be next column should be there. For example, if I will write here, helium, then neon, then xenon, then like this it will come. Sorry, krypton.
No, wait. First neon, then argon, then krypton.
Argon.
No.
So if I will write all the gases in this place, now the eighth will not be there. It will be ninth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the ninth one will become like that. So if it is like that, then it is wrong. The observation become wrong. Did you understand? Yes or no?
See, like before, like 1898 or something, there were only there were no noble gases.
Yeah. So because of that, this happened, and now it's gonna be wrong. You're not able to get the answer. Okay, so that's why it got rejected. Did you understand, guys? Okay, now tomorrow we will learn about the Mendeleev law, how it happens, um, uh, how we got that. So we're gonna learn that. Okay, and the modern periodic table. So we'll stop our class here only. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off to Vishabak here. Sayonara.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank